So the next variable types would be strings. Strings are defined either with a single quote or a double quotes. So for example, my string is equals to a single quote below, then other string equals to using single quote, double quotes. So if you print my string, then print other string, then if you run, it will have a same results of hello and hello. The difference between the two is that using double quotes makes it easy to include apostrophes, whereas this would terminate the string if using single quotes. For example, my string is equals to using double quote. Don't worry about apostrophes. So if you run this, if you print the my string, it will have the result of don't worry about apostrophes, which the single quote is included in the string. So if your strings you want to include single quote, you need to use a double quotes to be included the single quote in the string. So also you can combine strings and numbers. For example, strings and numbers. So let's, for example, 1 equals to 1. Then a variable name 2 equals to 2. Then create a variable name 3, which is have a value of 1 plus 2. So if you print 3, it will have a value of 3. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. So now in the strings, for example, hello equals hello world, variable name world equals to world. Then create another variable name hello world. Then assign to hello plus space plus world. Then if we print the hello world, then the result will be hello world. So that's how you combine strings and numbers. Also, you can assign or assignments of a variable can be done on more than one variables simultaneously on a same line. So for example, a comma b equals to 1 comma 2. This line means you're declaring a to 1 and b is to 2 respectively. So if you print a and b, it will have 1 and 2. So if you print only the a, then 1, it will have 1 value. So if you print the b, the value of b, then equals to here equals to 2. Now, for example, you need to add our c, then assign to 3. Then if you print the c, it will get the value of 3. So that's how you assign multiple variables in a multiple variable name in a same line. So the other one is the other thing that you need to reminder is mixing operators between numbers and strings is not supported. What I mean to say is you cannot combine different variable types. It should be to combine multiple variable types. You need to make it similar types for all the data types. For example, 1 equals to 1, 2 is equals to 2. Then hello equals to hello. Then if you combine all of it, 1 plus 2 plus hello, then if you run this code, there's an error. There's in a Python, if you have an extra space, you will get an error. So you need to delete this. Then run again, you will have an error, which means type error unsupported operand type for additional or addition for integers and string. So we need to convert all of the variable types in a single variable types. I mean, you need to have a unity or one variable types on all data types to combine. So number 1 and number 2 is integers and hello is a string. So we need to combine or to convert the number 1 and number 2 to string. So we need to type the str1 and str2. So if we print this or run this code, we will have the result of 1, 2, and hello. So a little reminder, you cannot combine different types of variable in a single variable name. You need to convert it's either string to number or number to string as long as all of the variable have the same variable types.